Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be making a homemade flower vase or flower pot. So what you're going to need for this activity is a soup can that's cleaned out and obviously the wrapper is taken off, some rubber bands, some colorful popsicle sticks, you can buy them colored or you can paint them yourself, and your favorite color ribbon. And so what you're going to do for this activity is choose the pattern you like for your popsicle sticks. So I chose my pattern right here. I have, let's do the colors together. Purple, green, orange, that's right. What color is this? Blue, yellow, and red. So that's the pattern that I chose. And so I have lots of popsicle sticks that I'm going to put all around my vase. So the way I'm going to do that is by putting some rubber bands down. So what I'm going to do is I have two sizes because I'm a little worried they're going to slip out. So I have one that's a little bit looser and one that's a little bit tighter. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and slip my rubber bands right on the jar. And so I'm doing both of them. You can just use one rubber band, but I'm just using two to be extra safe. And what I'm going to do next is put a popsicle stick underneath the rubber band. So you can see I'm lifting up the rubber bands with my fingers and I'm slipping the popsicle stick right on in. And there you have it secured. So then you're just going to go ahead and do that all the way around your soup can. And that way you have a really, really pretty vase. And remember, this can be a vase or a flower pot. So that means that you can choose to put soil in it and plant some seeds, and then you can grow some flowers, or you can use some fake flowers to put in it, or you can even make something to put inside. So all of those ideas are really, really great, and this is a great idea for Mother's Day, or just to show someone that you love them and care about them. And it's a great activity to do as a family or as siblings. And so everyone can choose lots of different colors. You can choose different color combinations. You can do all one color. So if you want to make many flower vases or many flower pots, you can use lots of different color combinations and make them all look a little bit different. So you can see how I've started, and you can already see how it's going to look at the end. So I'm going to continue putting my popsicle sticks right on in. And you want to make sure that they're right next to each other so they're nice and snug. You see how there's no space left between them? And they might move a little bit as you go. So it's okay, we can just make sure to move them in the end. We will make sure that it's all set before we put our ribbon on. So we're going to keep slipping those popsicle sticks right on in. And you can also choose to do random colors and not follow a pattern if you'd rather do that too. Whatever you think would look the nicest is what you should do. So I'm almost there. I'm getting somewhere. Almost done. You can see I only have a few popsicle sticks left. And so once you are finished, we can move on to the next step. So after I'm done with this, we'll have one last part of our pattern to go, and we can count together. So why don't I flip this last popsicle stick in, and I want us to count the rest of them. Are we ready? We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my last one, 6. So my friends, you can see that I have popsicle sticks all over, and like I said, you might have to move them over a little bit. So they're all a little bit curved, so I'm going to now straighten them all out, which you might have to do too. So I'm going to take a second to straighten all the popsicle sticks out and make sure they're all in order. And once you're done with that, you will be ready to finish your flower pot. Okay, and once you have it all set, oh, one fell. Where did it go? Right here. That's why I have a really nice tight rubber band. instead of a looser one because you don't want them to slip out. And once you're done with this, friends, you can see if I rotate it all the way around, you see all of the colors are there. And then the last step is I want to cover the rubber bands. I don't want there to be rubber bands, I want it to be a little bit prettier than that. So I'm going to wrap a ribbon around the rubber bands and I'm just going to tie it. So you can tie it in a bow or a knot, whatever you would like. And once you're done tying the ribbon, you can just make sure it's placed over the rubber bands all the way around. So you can see how it looks. I just did a knot, but remember, you can do whatever you would like. And now you are ready to put your flowers in. So, like I said before, you can choose to put some soil and some seeds in there to see how they grow, or you can put in some fake flowers or something else that you made. I have some fake flowers that I would like to add into mine. So what I'm going to do is take my fake flowers and just put them right on into my flower vase. And my friends, there you have your very own homemade flower vase that you can give to your mom for Mother's Day or to anyone in your family to show them how much you love them and how much you care about them. This is a really simple and easy thing to do at home with things that lots of families have already at their house. And so I hope you guys are able to come up with something super special to make for someone special in your life, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!